This is now the newly replaced elevator at the Monroeville Kohls in Monroeville, Pennsylvania. Just like the Ross Township Kohls, this was originally a 1997 Schindler 300A with MT that was just replaced with a KONE MonoSpace Flex DX with KSS 570. Oh, this one has a lower ceiling. The one in Ross has a much taller ceiling. I think the lights are slightly different too. The two, it has the call rec and it has the beeps, which is interesting. The one in Ross didn't have that. Here we go up. Didn't do the two chime just like Ross. I don't think the indicator at Ross changed immediately. Yep, it is the two chimes. Here are two, back on one. Has the original outside. I think even the inside. Nah, I don't think the inside one is original. The outside one's original. They have like newer, all new doors, but they're the thicker, just like the other store. This is car 3. They tried to put 3, but it came off, and it says 1 on there. It's a basic KONE cab, same cab as at Ross, with these interesting rectangular, thick rectangular handrails. LED spot lighting. Here back at 1. Oh, that turns on. That's cool. Never noticed that. Here it goes, and that's gonna be it. Slow.